So guys, today we're gonna make a cake. This is all the ingredients have, and I'm gonna tell you what they are. This is a mixing blender, yeah. I think you need to mix this. These are two types of mold we have. A whisk, a spatula, and a measuring cup. This is a castor sugar. And this is Falana extract. This is butter, dry fruits, eggs, and flour. So this is all the stuff we have to bake for the cake. So we're baking the cake and it's gonna be so fun to make it, and I'm so excited to make it with all of these ingredients. It's gonna be so yummy. And my dad only likes the dry fruits, but we don't, because we're gonna make these dry fruits because this is for our dad. He's at cricket right now, so we need to be quick to make all of this. Guys, I'm gonna pour this castor sugar to this butter. Gonna be so satisfying. My mom said the whole thing, so I need to pour it. Whoa, so much sugar. So my mom is gonna help me mix all of this. Eggs, sugar, butter. See, it's so much castor sugar. So we're gonna start like mixing it with the blender. So the mixture is ready right now. Now I'm gonna pour the flour here. So I need to grab the cup. Can you pour it, please? I know the table is gonna need this. Now I'm gonna put baking powder. Mixing it so well.
Yeah.
Because it was full of flour before. Guys, I'm gonna pour the milk to the mixture. Yeah, I remember the last part I just put the flour. I'm gonna pour it now. I need to be so careful. Whole thing. Oh, that's a lot. We already put this into the mold and it's turning so good so far. I like how the chocolate chips that I added. I need just a little bit more. I need a little bit more. I just need too much. Just not enough that I need, but I'll still show. So now I'm gonna make the second one for my dad. I already did this from the last part. I'm gonna like mix the fruits. Yeah, put the fruits. Guys, it's gonna be for my dad, and I'm gonna just pour this a little bit because I can't hold it. Oh, so satisfying. And now it's so funny. So guys, now we're gonna put this in the oven. My mom, yeah, and the temperature is 180. Yeah, and you may think how many minutes it is. 45. It's kind of like half an hour. Don't worry. It won't take that long, and it's all done. Like, look at this. It's so like satisfying. I think our one is smoother than this one. because it's just a little bit bumpy. Guys, here's my cake. It's so good and it's smoothly clean. Guys, see the gingerbread body and face. It's so cool. Guys, I took a little bit of bite in it. It's so yummy. What's Trinity at her 10? So guys, my mom is cutting it right now.
So yummy! Amazing!